2024-32 tax appeal attorney professional service appointment for 2024.
Comments?
Yep.
This one's particularly challenging for me. There are a handful of appointments, obviously, we just went through them, that we disagree with the mayor on. The council believes that we should have the right to approve or consent to the mayor's nominations. The mayor believes he does not need the council's approval. That is why the mayor continues to bring lawsuits against the council. I'm stating the obvious. This particular disagreement, though, between the mayor and all four council members truly makes no sense. In other discussions, the mayor demands that we, one, preserve continuity of government. And yet the mayor will not continue to use the attorney who has worked with our tax assessor for many years serving Bradley Beach. Two, the mayor demands that we listen to our professionals, and yet our professional, our tax assessor, strongly recommends that we keep our current attorney, who is an expert in his field with many years of experience, many more years of experience than the mayor's proposed replacement. In two separate emails sent to the mayor and the BA over the past week, our tax assessor has pleaded for the mayor to support his desired tax appeals attorney, Greg Pasquale. And finally, number three, the mayor demands that we, as we make these assignments, best serve Bradley Beach. Regarding the new tax appeal attorney, the mayor has told the council that he is confident and comfortable. This is a quote, confident and comfortable that our needs are being met with this new assignment. And yet the mayor never attempted to call the tax assessor when the tax assessor personally recommended that we keep the current attorney. The mayor wouldn't acknowledge that the replacement attorney is relatively inexperienced. And I'm told by the tax assessor, the new attorney has never gone to a trial for a tax appeal case. Even now, there is an existing tax appeal in court for which the borough is at risk for tens of thousands of dollars. This would be defended by a new trial attorney if we follow the mayor's choice. In an email sent to the mayor and our BA today, the tax assessor reported that over the last 4 years, the borough has had to refund about $4,000 in taxes we collected out of a total appeals amount that approximates $400,000. I know these things because I called our tax assessor to understand his requests and his concerns. I texted the mayor this morning and pleaded with him to actually reach out to our tax collector to hear these concerns himself. Unfortunately, Mayor Fox prefers to play political favorites rather than continue to use the tax appeal attorney who is most qualified to serve Bradley Beach and protect us from hundreds of thousands of dollars of potential risk. Oh, and the firm Mr. Fox wishes to retain is Shane Schaffer, PC. By the way, Schaffer is continually spelled wrong, Erica, in our documents. It's S-H-A-F-F-E-R, S-C-H-A-F-F-E-R. Mr. Fox wishes to retain Shane Schaffer, attorney and partner. Peg Schaffer is one of the mayor's strongest political allies. So I wanted to make sure the
wealth of information, political ally.
It's so obvious. We're expunging very credible, talented resources
so
that can protect the borough.
You're actually putting us at somewhat of a risk here, Councilman, but I'll cover why that is. Number one, we've had the current tax attorney since sometime last year.
October last year.
When the other tax attorney
Greg Pasquale
left.
Shane Schaffer.
Yeah, I know who it is. Thank you.
Saying it for the benefit of the audience.
I think the audience can pick up on what's being said. Okay. So anyway, I spoke to Shane. Actually, Shane Schaffer contacted me when this change was made. It assured me that, can I have water, please? Assured me that we had adequate coverage and that we had the appropriate expertise in place. We have I think 3 cases currently on the docket. I've actually spoken to the new tax attorney. She's got a handle on that. I'm not an expert, but she's certainly got a handle on this, and she will perform more than adequately. Any case that goes to tax court is reviewed by a small board within Shane Schaffer's practice. So, you know, the implication that this is a political friend or this is a favor, this company has capability and capacity. They have a number of associates in that company. The company that split off didn't tell us they split off, left under some questionable circumstances I've been made aware of. And I'd rather do business with a company that I know has the capability and capacity. To say that somebody doesn't have experience or they can't do the job, we've hired that firm and that firm has delivered for us. So I take exception to the fact that you're implying that that this is anything but what it is, and that is, I get contacted by the company last year expressing to me that we are covered. Didn't hear from anybody else, didn't hear from the people that broke off, because apparently they did it in kind of questionable manner. I would suggest that Peg Schaffer is a friend of mine, but when you talk about a political ally, she has nothing to do with Bradley Beach. So, you know, I think that's just a ludicrous statement, which is unfortunate. But I do know though that you've made very disparaging comments about Ms. Schaffer, which
no, not about Ms. Schaffer. I
simply
said she's a political ally.
no, you've made disparaging comments to me in the past about Ms. Schaffer.
That's not true.
Yes, it is true. I'm sorry. You made comments about her and why you did not support her being our municipal attorney 3 years ago. So yes, you did.
Those weren't disparaging comments. I explained why I didn't
Well,
support. We're not here to argue. I simply
Well,
want.
now you don't want to argue, but you want to
No.
disparage me and you want to make this bad
I'm trying
comment.
to let.
Order.
I'm trying to let the public know what this nomination of yours means. Please prove to it. You had a conversation with Shane Schaffer and now you feel confident. I'm told by our expert, this woman has never tried a tax appeal case ever. She joined.
I don't know if that's the case.
Okay, well, maybe you could investigate that before you nominate.
No, I did talk to Schaffer.
She joined Shane Schaffer in October of last year. She's been there 3 months. You're confident she can do this work. It could cost this borough $100,000. And one case that is active right now. And all I'm asking is, can you confirm what you believe to be is a very adequate replacement? I'm not hearing any evidence to that effect.
I just gave you the evidence. Unfortunately, you don't want to listen to it. This is not somebody with 3 months experience. She's been out of law school for a number of years. Does she have the experience of?
Has she ever tried a case, a tax appeal case?
She's gone to tax appeal boards. Yes, she has.
Okay, I don't know what to say. We have a letter from our tax assessor.
Yeah, well, can we just vote? Yes, I would agree.
I just want the public to know what's happening here. Go ahead, vote, please.
2024-32 tax appeal attorney, professional services to Shane Schaffer. Make a motion. Second.
Ms. Noble,
No.
Mr. Gubatose,
Nope.
Ms. Mahoney,
No.
Mr. Weber,
No.
Mayor Fox.
Yes.